Oo, video to. Ang galing ni Lance, oh. Gumagalaw na siya. Wala niya na puntaan niya. Lance! Ang layo na niya. Nandun niya kanina, napunta na dito. Gumagalaw. Oh, ang galing-galing ni Lance, ah.
Para ka lang mong aso.
Ha? Huwag mo buhatin. Huwag mo buhatin. Dali, nire-record ko nga eh.
Ganda ng sapatos.
Bakit? Bakit natatakot?
Tingin sa camera and smile!
Dito. Dito lang, dito. Lapit, lapit, lapit. Todo na ba?
Alright, last 2 minutes for picture taking in camera. Meron tayo ulit time for picture taking together with Jollibee. Best si Jollibee, meron siya niya ng dance number. Alright, last 2 minutes for picture taking. And now meron tayo ulit time for picture taking together with Jollibee. And syempre si Jollibee, mapapanood si Jollibee every Sunday, 8:30 a.m., GMA Channel 7. Alright, clap your hands, everybody. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to the lover.
Happy birthday to you.
Last pa.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
How old are you now?
How old are you
Happy
now?
birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Alright,
you.
lads. At the count of 3, blow the candle. Okay, kids, bilang tayo. 1, 2, 3, blow the candle. Palabas na. Happy birthday. Alright, and syempre, this time, Mami Chapelian, birthday wish na para kay Lance. Since 1 year old na pa, ano ba yung birthday wish na ni Daddy para kay Lance? Ito, Lance. Happy birthday.
Diyan